that is substantial. Holy cow.
Okay, we got this junker stripped down. Frame's mostly cleaned up. I think we'll roll to the back end. We got a little time left today, and we'll put some rear brakes on it and start building this thing.
What do you think, Dar, so far?
I think that we've butchered it right down. It's time to put it back together now.
Wow. It's kind of fluffy.
Wheelie over.
Wheelie over backwards, isn't it?
Yeah, there ain't much. I wouldn't wiggle too much on it. It'll go.
Really looks sad now.
Just take the spacer out and set it right on the spring. That looks better.
Brings it a little more forward.
Well, we're missing a socket. There it is. And we'll put her back. I think my battery died. Got oil in it still.
I think there's an extra set of axles up my garage for this too.
Yeah? Really hate 90 weight.
Yeah.
Just stinks.
They moved enough to hit.
Time is it?
3.
We're gonna get this done. Oh, dang it.
Yeah, back the brakes off to do it.
Yep.
Dad, you got any gas?
I do not. I put what I had in the lawnmower so I could mow the lawn.
Gallon.
This thing is.
It's all there.
Is that 60?
Nope, that's 14 bolt. And they're heavy. Yeah, we'll take that. Pull your brake line off.
Yeah. Do you got to redo, make your own like rubber brake line?
Yeah, we'll have to put a rubber one over
Gotcha.
to it.
That's cool. Yeah.
Basically, just so you can remove the
Caliper.
caliper.
Man, that is substantial. Holy cow. That's some big metal.
What do you use a piston for?
So that I can reuse those lug nuts.
So it don't ruin the threads.
We'll put those right back in here in just a second. We'll be ready for brakes. Flip that thing over. Set that on it. Put all these lug studs back in it. We're built.
Man, that's awesome.
Yep.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, cleaning that carburetor did a whole lot different.
Fixed it, huh? You know what else you should try cleaning?
That.
Your face.
I might help.
Looks like you've been pressure washer parts. You got little black dots all over you. We'll push those in.
So far we got the right parts.
We'll know when we get that backing plate off and get the
Get the
caliper on
right
it
caliper mound on.
and see if it lines up with this rotor. If we got that, we're winning.
We're winning.
We make gloves for guys with little hands. These are
Even extra large. I know. But then they're awesome gloves.
Yeah,
but
they are.
they are too small.
That's 90 weight spot. I got to do this to the wood truck. It needs some
Rear breakage.
some better braking capabilities. Go throw that out in the, yeah, just throw it in the back of that wood truck. Where'd you buy these from back in the day? Rough Stuff or somewhere?
I think it was Rough Stuff.
You only had them for
15 years.
We dusting off the boxes.
the company that you bought those from is out of business. Parts Plus.
Yeah, the Parts Plus store in Canab is not there anymore.
Yeah, that's how long you've had the parts. I'm gonna Loctite that one for you here in a second. Loctite.
Tell you related to Jesse. We was putting something together on the scraper and he come down there and he just grabbed the air gun, stuck the bolt, stuck it in the hole and drove her through the hole.
Tight. It's in. Okay, now we just need your calipers and stuff.
Wonder if that doesn't need to be turned around the other way.
That's what we're gonna figure out right now.
Man, these are asbestos brakes. These are awesome. Old school brakes with all the chemicals in them.
Really, I know how to put brakes in.
So brake better.
My first day. Looks like that Loctite may come in to hurt us.
Mhm.
Those have got to
They've
get
got-
turned
they got-
around. Where's all that leaking from?
Brake line.
I mean, it's dang close to lining up, but it's not quite lined up. That's our dilemma. I don't think you'll be able to return them.
Probably not. I didn't ream the holes out.
It was a good hole. It's just not
Not big enough. Right.
not where it needs to be. They need to stick this way, right?
Yeah. I wonder if we have to leave that one until we make sure that's right.
We got a 50-50 chance, and we screwed up the first time, so. Oh yeah, that's gonna work.
One smaller.
I think it's right. I think it'll work. Looks like we knew what we were doing. That's so much cleaner.
Yeah.
All
That
that,
looks-
rotating mass that we took off
That
of that
looks
thing.
so much better.
Now we just gotta repeat on one more side and we're done. Sweet.
Boom.
But
Those little
All the dead batteries.
Really don't know how my kids can kill every battery I own in a week, but they can do it.
So how tight do you tighten those things?
Hand tight, basically. You just want no side to side movement. And then I either gotta go forward or backwards. Then you slide
Key.
this key in there. Snap ring on, slide the axle in it, and we wipe that, put a little bit of silicone on it, stab the axle back in. Putting gears in this, right?
Yeah, we gotta put
Shouldn't
them,
even
so
have put silicone on it.
yeah, it's probably on.
We'll put it back together because I don't want to lose parts. I won't silicone the next one and I won't Loctite these. They're coming out. Not for a day or three.
Pretty simple setup, isn't it?
Pretty simple.
I guess you could always put one of those hydraulic line lockers, like a drifty brake,
Yeah.
just in line with the back brakes, and you can really lock it, park it.
I had one on my service truck.
Yeah.
It got to where it wouldn't come off.
Oh, really?
I spent an hour and a half in the bottom of calf trick trying to get that thing released so I could go.
Alright. Done with that.
Tell these are brand spanking new.
Yeah. Right, line them up. Stab them in and you've got a rear axle that weighs a lot less than it used to.
How's it looking?
That looks
You
awesome.
approve?
Yes, that's a lot. Been waiting years for that. Can't even try it out.
Alright, rear brakes are done. This thing will stop on a dime now. We lost a whole bunch of weight. It's cleaner. We don't pack sand around with you and mud and stuff now, and just better. Done.
Awesome.
Boom.
What are you gonna do for